Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got a 35th anniversary fancy yakisoba from Acecook. This is part of their Super Cup range, and supposedly this is a onion shio with 35 little spices and bits and junks and stuff. So that's what we got. And we got the tray. We're going to use the actual tray today. And how are you? I hope you're well. These go in at the end. Here is our noodle block. And we're on the way. So, water is boiling. So we fill the cover of the block. Like so. And this one? Yeah, this one got covered. Used to cover stuff before. So we'll put that there. And we will start our timer for the recommended 3-minute time. So, yeah, yakisoba. It's funny how weird people get about the naming of things. It's like, no, it's not ramen. But you're the ramen raider. You can't do that. It's like, why not? The whole thing of calling everything ramen is a Western thing. I know. I'm in the West. When I started this, I thought that everything that was noodles that were instant was ramen too. Obviously not anymore. The people just get like, meh, 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 meh. It's lame. It's like, it could be, hey, you're done. Kid's getting all mouthy and punchy with his laptop. I don't care for that. It's not kind. Yeah. Damn it. But yeah. Yeah. I don't know why people just have this whole thing. It's like, that's cool. You're right. But this is just the way it is. And that's never good enough. It's just like, I get people that are like cranky about the fact that I call myself the Ramen Raider, or at least my blog, the Ramen Raider. I have a name, but it's the. And people just get so cranky. And they decide to just like have a war with me about that. And it's, why? Why? Don't you have better stuff to do? No? Well, okay. I know there's better stuff to do than that. Actually, there was a guy who, when I was out yesterday with my son, my older son, Andy. So we're talking, we're in front of the library, right? And it's raining. And this guy like barrels between us on the sidewalk, practically hits me in the face with his umbrella. And my son Andy's really keen on like saying hi to everybody, which I was like, I wouldn't do that down in this area. Well, he did, and the guy flips around and he starts chastising us for talking on the sidewalk. This is a public sidewalk, and you should take the conversation over there. I was like, yes, sir, sure, yeah, you know. And he stormed off muttering stuff. And he was like, what did he say? I was like, nothing important. But yeah, it's like, could have just said, excuse me. And was like, oh, sorry, we'll move over here. We're kind of in the way. Gotcha. But, you know, it's like easier just to get cranky and angry. I guess you can. That's what you got to do with your day. I don't get it. Everybody's so mad. I think everybody's broke. Everybody's struggling. Everybody wants to blame somebody. Everybody's just filled with all this frustration. And I don't know, maybe we need a Bastille Day here because honestly, the rich keep getting richer and the poor keep struggling. Hey, buddy, what you doing?
I need to borrow this.
What is it? Oh, the case? Are you putting it away?
I'm just looking for a drawing to find.
To find a drawing?
Yeah.
Well, there's nothing in there. But I'll be done in a minute. I'll help you out.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Love you, buddy.
Okay.
All right. No more yelling at the laptop, though, okay?
Okay.
All right. Sounds good. Yeah. It's... A lot of people say, you know, ever since the pandemic, it's like, I think people were cranky before the pandemic, but now it's like people feel more justified in being cranky. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. As my brother said, somebody else said, just be nice. It doesn't cost you anything. I like that. It's true. I think a lot of people connote niceness with weakness, and that's a shame because it's really not a strength to be yelling at people. Doesn't help you out. What are you good at? Oh, I'm good at yelling at people on the sidewalk. Oh, wow. That's a life skill. That's really useful. Isn't it, though? So I'm hopeful this one, that little dark bit that goes in here, once I stir it up, will make the noodles have a nice shade to them. Because there's nothing I hate more than Shio instant... we're not getting that. Shio Yakisoba, that when you stir it up, you can't even see that it was anything other than just instant noodle. Whoa. People making noises above my head. I'm on the second floor. That's how it go. Around these parts. Okay, I'm gonna try this. The next part has the furikake, so... That's really salty. That's like obscenely salty. The noodle in this one is pretty good. But, yeah, I don't... At this point, I am not at all pleased. There is our massive pile of noodles. And we got furikake, which basically normally is like a rice topping, just like a bunch of spices and stuff. This supposedly has, I believe this part has like 35 different spices and such. There is our furikake on top. And what are we doing next? We've got our that, and that. Okay. We're going to do a slice of chashu. Wish I had some mayo. I know some of you will probably think I'm crazy. I know some of you think that putting eggs in ramen or cheese on Korean instant noodles is like crazy, but it's really good, I'm telling you. I definitely did not invent that. That's been going on for a long time. But yeah, it's good. Chashu though, wow. Chashu's fun. That's fish cake, nurutamaki. Add some sesame seed over here. And a dash of shichimi togarashi. Right there. And I think that's about all we're... Oh, no. Don't forget that. Right. We have some spring onion right there. And I think that is more than plenty. for our yakisoba. So I'll try the part that has the furikake on it in a few minutes once I'm done with the rotato time and letting you guys go eat your cheese and peanut butter. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's it for me for today. So stay tuned. Tomorrow there'll be another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time coming at you. So like, subscribe, helps me out, helps you out, helps everybody out. It's a team effort. Have a good one. Bye-bye.